parental time. We've got some seats inside. Thank you. Right, today's entertainment will be provided by We Are and Miss Ria, and I think we've got something to do about this week. So We Are and Miss Ria would like and enjoy. Thank you.
Environmental challenges. Reducing plastic use. Nearly 1/3 of plastic packaging use escapes collection systems, which means it ends up clogging the drains. The plastic that ends up in the oceans can circle the earth 4 times in a single year, and it can persist for up to 1,000 years before it fully disintegrates.
There are over 7 billion people in the planet, and we're all using up the same natural resources at an incredible rate. If you continue to live in the same way, we will soon be demanding more than the earth is able to provide.
By 2050, the world population is expected to reach almost 10 billion people, and if we don't change our habits, we will need 3 planets to give us everything we want. That is a problem, a huge problem. We only have this planet, so we all, every single one of us, has to change our habits to save it.
Here are our 10 easy ways to save the planet.
Reduce the amount of stuff you buy.
We live in a society where shopping has become a hobby, and retail is a form of therapy.
The general rule is if you haven't got it already,
You probably don't need it.
when buying food,
Try to buy ones that have less packaging, and if there's
a choice between bananas that are grown in Mozambique and bananas that farm out there around the country.
buy the Mozambican ones to save fuel and encourage Mozambican farmers. Take a no bag shopping. If you're asked, would you like a bag? Just say no. Don't get a dozen new bags that will be thrown away when you get home. Take some old ones with you or get a bag for life. Let one split and spill your shopping all over the floor. And if they took thought of wearing your big sister's hand-me-down, clothes makes you feel a little bit queasy. Think again. Old jeans look cool.
Recycle. This is an easy one. All you have to do is sort your rubbish into different bins. Everything that can be recycled goes into one bin, so what is that?
A new and growing problem known as e-waste. More and more people are buying more and more electronic gadgets, phones, computers, games, consoles, e-readers, MP3 players, and digital TVs. And more people are upgrading them more and more regularly.
At the moment, only about 15% of the electricians we throw out electronics we throw away are recycled. So when you next upgrade your gadgets, don't just dump those.
Find a recycling center nearby to you that uses tech contains.
Your recycling centers are open all the time. Alternatively, you can give your old phone to a charity that will recondition it and send it off to help people working for worthy causes in the developing world.
Use FSC products. This is the one that is going to help save the forests. The Forest Stewardship Council.
Put this logo on products like paper, card, and wood.
To say that they have come from forests that are sustainable. In other words,
When trees are cut down, they are replaced by more. As more people start switch to using
FSC products.
more businesses will start selling them and using them.
Save energy. There are lots of easy things you can do to save gas and electricity. Turn off the light when you leave the home and fill the kettle with as much water as you need.
Turn off the TV from the wall instead of leaving it on. Turn off the TV from the wall instead of leaving it on standby. Replace any old-style bulbs.
Use a washing line instead of the tumble dryer and wear a hoodie to keep cozy.
Save water. This is another easy one. Take a shower instead of a bath.
Or share a bath with a close friend. Only joking. Don't use the washing machine if you only have one stock. Wait until you have a full load.
Don't leave the tap running when you're cleaning your teeth.
Don't use the toilet without flushing it. The rule is if it's brown, flush it down. If it's yellow, let it mellow.
But don't do that at school. The boys' toilets are smelly enough already. Bus not hard. Taking the bus, train, or tram instead of insisting that your moms give you a lift to school burns a lot less fuel and cuts down on greenhouse gases, and you get to chat with your friends.
Even better, ride a bike to school or walk. Not by only you'll be helping saving the world by
Cutting down greenhouse gases. You'll also get yourself fit. Go biodegradable. Use biodegradable washing up liquid and washing powder that won't pollute water supply and kill fish. The more people who buy it, the more companies will make it. The more incredible it will seem that we never use any other kind.
Have a garden, try planting some vegetables like tomatoes, potatoes. Don't have a garden. Grow big. Garden, try to grow big. A bag is a good alternative. If all you have is a windowsill, then you have an ideal place to grow herbs and cheese to spice up your life. Anything you can grow yourself will cut down on transport costs and greenhouse gases.